You know what time it is. And I ain't talking about the Birds game either. It's food porn. Get you some of these. A little bit of that. There's seasoned pasta in there right now. I didn't get that part.
Don't forget your sauces.
So for this one, some Smokehouse Maple. If you haven't had this stuff yet, it goes on everything. Season generously. Flip and repeat the process. Don't forget to wash your hands constantly. Bomb. It was almost full, and that's what I mean by generously. Bang. Boom. Bang. This stuff is strong, so not as much. A nice coat though. Bam. Repeat the process. Now you should have something like this. Let's
Set your smoker to 350.
put the chicken on the smoker. Crack open one and come back in a half hour. Watching the game.